And time for an EBIX Cash News alert. In a major development in the Sandalwood drug scandal investigation, former Ranji cricketer NC Ayappa was called in for questioning by the Internal Security Division. Ayappa has said that he was called in for a general inquiry based on his call records and has denied any connection with the case while speaking to Republic TV. Listen in.
I think they've just called me for an inquiry, so I went there, and whatever the question they asked, I have explained to them, and it's a general inquiry. So they asked me like where all you traveled recently, all that. So I have told all the details, and again they've seen the call list, and I've told them like most of the time I spoke to my wife, my mom, and my in-law. So all these risks I have told them.
If you notice, this entire drug mafia case has been investigated by Central Crime Branch, but you have been summoned by Internal Security Division, which also have Narcotics Division, and they have also access to your call records from past few months. Why do you think that you might have some kind of connection with the people who have already been arrested in this?
Because see, I have nothing to do. See, whatever they have asked me, I have told them exactly what I do and stuff. So they generally ask like, what's your profession and stuff. So I explained everything, and I am nowhere related to these things. So my profession is totally different. So I've told them that.
Did they ask you about a drug in the questioning?
No, they asked like, no, I said I'm not
What
related.
they asked you?
Because are you part of? No, sir, I am not related to this, because sports person we have to be fit, so we have no idea about this, I told them.
Have you met any of this actress or other people who have already been arrested, like Ragini or Sanjana or Viren Khan or somebody like event managers and everybody? Because you might have seen that in media that all these names are doing wrong. Do you know any of them?
No, generally I'm not in touch with those people, because I go to parties. It's not, I'm not.
The parties have you met?
See, we bump in, like, it's so many parties happen.
Whom have you met?
No, everyone. Generally, like, I know people, so I generally bump in and I'll do my work and that's it. I'll listen to music and just walk out from there.
So what kind of party it will be? Whether it will be
general, like, we get together, all that. Like, most of the thing will be that.
Because the hot topic of Karnataka is that there are a lot of actors, actresses who are going to all this party. Have you ever been to Aditya Alva's residence farmhouse in Hebbal for any kind of party?
No, not at all. Because we don't know, because most probably, like, my hangout will be near UB City most of the time. I'll be there only, but not anywhere outside that.
Okay. You have not met Sanjana or Ragini, like even during your KPL string with...
Because see, 3 years back I played KPL, that's it. After that, no connection with the KPL at all.
But why do you think that this ISD would have summoned to you without any kind of connection?
One thing, like, whatever we have to report, like, whatever they asked, we have to. If they ask for inquiry, we have to go. That's our duty. So I've gone and I've informed everything, whatever I know. So that's it, nothing else.
When was you were summoned?
2 days back.
2 days back.
Yeah.
And anybody else along with you? Any cricketers?
They called me, they told me about my timing. I went on that time, that's it.
Okay. They asked you to come again anytime soon?
No, nothing such. So if they call, I will go and talk to them, that's it.
So recently, if you notice, there was also about the match fixing in KPL. As a cricketer, do you see might be a drug angle involved in KPL tournament? As an outsider or a cricketer outside who are retired from a professional field, do you think that?
No, not at all, because I have no idea about these things, because I've recently started coaching, that's it. Look, 4 years I was not in touch. So last was 2012 I played. Then after that, like, I have no idea about the KPL thing, because we are not used to that. So once I'm there, like, as like coach, yeah, I'm part. So or else, like, 3-4 years back I played KPL, that's it, nothing else.
Because there is always a nexus which has been established between cricketers and celebrities and actors. Okay. And they also established the nexus of foul play like honey trap and drug mafia. And what do you talk about? How do you see this?
I have no idea about that, and I haven't come across on that.